Looking to push your app to the top of cloud-native development? Let's dive into serverless. No servers to manage, no infrastructure to worry about. You focus on your code, and AWS takes care of the rest. AWS Lambda lets you run your code without provisioning or managing servers. Just upload your function, and Lambda takes care of everything from scaling to availability. All you pay for is the compute time you use. Need to manage how your app interacts with users or other services? Amazon API Gateway helps you create, manage, and secure APIs, making it easy to connect your app to the world. And for more complex workflows, AWS Step Functions coordinate all the parts of your app, orchestrating multiple AWS services to keep everything running in perfect harmony. With serverless, you don't need to worry about scaling, patching, or server maintenance, letting you focus on building features, not managing infrastructure. Want to go serverless? Trackit can help you leverage AWS Lambda, API Gateway, and Step Functions to build a fully serverless architecture. Discover more about how we can help you streamline your processes by checking out our latest insights on our blog. The link is in the description. Trackit, your application modernization experts.